Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your NameCheap domain to Webflow. Before we start, it's important to be reminded that you first need to purchase at least the basic plan of Webflow to be able to make this integration. With that in mind, let's get started. First, go to webflow.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard, where you will open the site you want to connect by clicking on this Open Designer option. In this new page containing your site, click on Publish at the top right corner, and this pop-up will appear. In here, click on this Add a Custom Domain option. This action will redirect you to your Webflow settings, where you will click on the Add a Custom Domain found in the Production section, and in this drop-down menu, click on the Quick Connect Domain option. This pop-up will appear where you will just click on the Continue option. Next, let's go to NameCheap.com first and log in your account. This action will lead you to your NameCheap dashboard, where you will click on the Domain List option from the left panel to view all your domains. Just copy the domain you want to connect to Webflow and go back to Webflow. In this pop-up, paste here the domain you want to connect and click Continue. Next, just log in these fields your NameCheap details and click on Continue again. And then in this next pop-up, type in this field the verification code that will be sent to your email that is registered to NameCheap, then click Continue. After that, just wait as your domain is being configured, which may take up to 48 hours before the changes are finalized. And that is how you can connect your NameCheap domain to Webflow. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.